Okay, this is IM2. We are doing lesson 4-4. We're talking about medians, and then we'll talk about altitudes, but in a second video. So the median is where you take the midpoint of the side and you connect it with the vertex that's opposite it, okay? So you can draw any triangle, obtuse or smaller or acute or right, and it's always going to be able to draw a median. You find the midpoint of the side and you connect it to the vertex. It also has a principle in that it is always 2/3 the distance from any of the vertex. So the point in the center is called the centroid, and the centroid is always 2/3. So if I know the length of this, I can multiply it by 2/3 and find the length of that. So I just turned the page and I have the first problem, which says that ZA, and A is that center point right there. Z to A is 9. So what's the length of Z to C? So we know that Z to A is equal to, so 2 is equal to 2/3 of ZC, right? ZC is the bigger line. So if this is 9, that equals 2/3 of ZC. To get rid of a fraction, we multiply it by its reciprocal, so 3/2 times 3/2. If you don't know what that is off the top of your head, you can grab a calculator, and we have 27 divided by 2, so we'll have 13.5. All right, what's the ratio of ZA to AC? So ZA to AC, well, it's a 2/3, 1/3 ratio, right? All right, let's do the practice problems down here. If YU is equal to 3.6, so YU, this number right here, is 3.6. Find ZY, so this is the first thing we have, and ZU. So we can do the longer number the same way that we did the other one. So 2/3 of ZU is equal to 3.6. We can find that, again, by multiplying by the reciprocal on both sides. .6 times 3 equals, divided by 2 equals 5.4. So ZU equals 5.4. Since we know that the whole line here is equal to 5.4, and we know that the larger section is equal to 3.6, we know that ZY is equal to 5.4 minus 3.6, because that's going to be whatever the leftover portion is, 1.8. All right, and we'll do problem 2 as well for practice. We have Vx is equal to 9, so V to x, that's the long line, so Vx is equal to 9. So we need to find the two sections. So we know that 2/3 times 9 is equal to the longer section, so that's Vy, which equals 6. So this line is equal to 6. And then we know that the shorter section, xy or yx, is equal to, they called it yx. Yx is equal to 9 minus 6, which equals 3. So if I just wrote that again, I would have Vy equals 6 and yx equals 3.